The question is, Periocol TC is composed of, okay, and they have given a bottle of Periocol TC. Options are collagen, enamel matrix proteins, chlorhexidine and tetracycline. Now looking at the question, we have col that suggests collagen and we have TC that suggests tetracycline. Okay, that is clear. So the options collagen and tetracycline are somewhat relevant to this question. Enamel matrix proteins and chlorhexidine are eliminated. Now considering these two options, Periocol TC has actually both of them. It has collagen and tetracycline. Then how do we decide the correct answer? So let's have a look at what Periocol TC is. So a vial of this product contains fish type 1 collagen. So it definitely contains collagen, approximately 25 milligrams, impregnated with approximately 2 milligrams of tetracycline. So it contains both collagen and tetracycline hydrochloride, which is sterilized by gamma radiation. Remember the gamma radiation sterilization protocol for another MCQ? Okay. Periocol TC releases tetracycline in vitro for 8 to 10 days. A periodontal dressing should be placed to avoid dislodging the fibers. So the duration is also important. Composition is important. See, I am highlighting these questions so that parallel questions can be answered too. How do you sterilize this? And duration. Periocol TC is indicated for treatment of adult periodontitis, which is an adjunct to scaling root planing. So these are the indications. In pockets which are 5 millimeter deep, and it can be administered every 3 months. So this is all about the duration. It has a lot of potential questions. Periocol TC has a lot of potential questions which you need to remember. The fibers are moistened. So what is the procedure is given here. They are moistened with saline and placed into the periodontal pocket to the depth of the pocket base. They are biodegradable and do not have to be removed. So now looking at the summary of everything, we have collagen and tetracycline both as the answers to this question, but we can only choose one because both options together are not a single option here. Now the options given here are both collagen and tetracycline, both of which are relevant to Periocol TC. But let us try to understand that collagen is purely a vehicle here to carry tetracycline. The function of this is because of tetracycline and not because of collagen. So tetracycline is the main product for which Periocol is used and not because collagen. We are not looking at a soft tissue healing here, we are looking at the antimicrobial efficiency of a drug. So tetracycline is the most relevant answer of the two. So the answer to this question is tetracycline.